there. As you can see, this is the Hauler 4x4. And I'm gonna start it up. Step on the gas. Step on the brake. Turn the key. And you got a shifter here. When you first drive it, you know, this is a pretty big cart, so you're gonna feel like, man, this thing should be faster than it is. And it's only gonna max out at about 14 miles an hour. I'll show you. And that's all we'll get right there. 13, sometimes 14. That's all you get. But man, this thing ought to go faster, right? Let me show you the trick. Take your seatbelt and just click it in. Now, you'll see the difference. That much more room to go here on the cart path, but you can see how much faster it already went. So that's all you got to do. Click the seatbelt and let her rip. See you guys next time.